Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Spring Breeze Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, and the puff stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 10 plus 2. I have already made 152 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. You'll now make 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. So altogether, that's 4 double crochet made so far. This is going to be our first side. Now to make our first decrease or valley, you're going to skip 2 chains, then into each of the next 4 chains, make a double crochet. So we're skipping these 2, into this next one, double crochet in the next one for 2, double crochet in the next one for 3, and double crochet in the next one for those 4. Double crochet. So side of 4, valley decrease, skipping these 2, side of 4. Now we need to make our increase or peak. You're going to make 2 chains, and then into each of the next 4 chains, make a double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have a side of 4, decrease or valley, side of 4, peak with these chains, and then side of 4. So you would start repeating from this decrease or valley. So you would now repeat this sequence starting from this valley for the rest of this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. Into the first stitch of this row, make 2 double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. That's going to give us our first side of 4 double crochet. Now for our next decrease or valley right here, you can see this is a decrease or valley from this last row. You're going to skip 2 stitches, make a double crochet in the next stitch, make a double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. So that is our valley or decrease, skipping these 2 stitches. These are 3 double crochet. We've come to our next peak or increase. Into this previous chain space, you're going to make a puff stitch. Make 3 chains, and then make a puff stitch into the same chain space that we made the first one in. Yarn over your hook and insert your hook into that chain space. Grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same chain space, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same chain space, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, take that through all of the loops to complete that puff stitch. So far we have our side, decrease or valley, side of 3 this time. Then we have our increase or peak of puff stitch, chain 3 puff stitch. Into the next 3 stitches, make 1 double crochet. And that is going to be our next side. So from here, you would start repeating from this decrease, do a side of 3 double crochet, peak or increase of puff, chain 3 puff, and then side of 3 double crochet. You're now going to repeat this sequence until you reach the last 3 stitches of this row. So once you get to the end of your row, you're going to be skipping over this last decrease or valley. You're going to have 3 stitches left and some chains. You're going to work 1 double crochet into each of the last 3 stitches. So we're skipping these 2, working a double crochet in this next one, the second one, and the third one. Then once you reach the end of your row and you have these chains left, you're going to work 1 double crochet into the top of those last chains to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. I'm going to continue on and come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my blanket is looking. I ended up making 82 rows total for a throw size, and I tend to stick around 55 inches by 60 inches for a throw sized blanket. That is going to be how to make my Spring Breeze Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.